Critical Manufacturing MES for industrial equipment manufacturing, advanced capabilities for operational efficiency and innovation at scale. The pressure is on to innovate in products and business models. Industrial equipment companies that can reliably meet new customer regulatory and sustainability requirements are in a position of strength. To help your business stay ahead of the competition, you should expect more from your MES. Recognized by Gartner in the Magic Quadrant for Manufacturing Execution Systems, the Critical Manufacturing MES is the leader in the most demanding segments of the industrial equipment industry, supporting all manufacturing processes, including engineering to order, configure to order, and make to stock. Unlike other MES solutions, Critical Manufacturing offers complete out-of-the-box functionality for multi-site MES programs. With Critical Manufacturing MES, you gain full control of production through real-time operator guidance, traceability from raw materials to parts and finished goods, higher visibility into the shop floor that will allow you to reduce WIP inventory and minimize non-value-added work. You should expect your MES to empower meaningful action across all production lines. We built a solution to provide guidance to help operators perform complex tasks in parallel more efficiently and with fewer errors. And it was designed to empower frontline workers with web-based, mobile-ready interface. The system guides operators with images and work instructions supported with 3D files, color-coded displays, and more. Trainees can use supervisor sign-off, and low-vision employees have special display options. MES is where IT and OT data converge to become information for digital transformation. You should expect your MES solution to fully integrate with factory automation systems and robots. Critical Manufacturing MES comes with an architecture for simplified connectivity to additional systems like ERP or PLM. You should expect 360-degree visibility of every unit, from raw materials to sub-assemblies to finished products. The Critical Manufacturing MES collects and contextualizes data from multiple systems and equipment, offering end-to-end traceability, real-time and historical quality, and performance KPIs for robust continuous improvement. It is very easy to set up, too. A basic factory model can be up and running in days. Yet it is also highly scalable, extensible, and configurable to ensure support for central management and unique best practices at each site. Flexible deployment in the cloud, on-prem or hybrid, facilitates faster and more efficient multi-site MES rollouts. When you expect more from your MES, you get a solution that is easy to deploy and use for better results across all your plants. You get greater flexibility and resiliency in rapidly changing markets, and as a result, greater customer satisfaction. What more could you expect?